Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can remove payment methods from one of your Wix website. So from the manage side here, you just want to pick on whichever website you want to manage to start to remove the payment methods on. I'm going to pick this one. It doesn't really matter. The methods aren't the same regardless of what website you have. So here, this is the dashboard here, right? The dashboard for your specific site that you picked earlier. And I'm going to go to here, sales, and I'm going to click on this, all payments, right? And all payments here, I'm just going to click on manage payment methods right here. And right now, there's no payment methods that's connected. So I'm just going to connect one real quick. I'm gonna call this cash payment, and I'm going to call this example. Doesn't really matter, right? Example, and I'm going to connect. Once it's connected, uh, it'll show a dashboard like this, right? So manual payment. This is one of the payments we have now, and if you want to remove it, you just have to click on this manage, and on manage, you just want to scroll down, and here you can click on disconnect manual payments, or you can just toggle this on not accepting payments. So right now it's toggled to not accepting payments. If you want to remove it without disconnecting it, you just can toggle this off. So right now it's off. And if you want to remove it permanently, just click on this disconnect manual payments. After that, you can just click on this here, disconnect, and it'll say disconnecting provider, just like that. If you want to disconnect PayPal, you'll have to connect PayPal first. I wish I could show you that, but I don't have a PayPal account. So basically, yeah, it's like that. If you want to remove the payments, you can also remove the payments on your personal account just by clicking this and going to account settings, right? So after you clicked on this, and you can also click on this Wix Studio, you'll be taken back to the normal dashboard here. You can click on here on billing and subscription. You can click on payment methods, and here you'll see your own personal payment methods. I can also add a payment method here, but I think it'll take a bit. So if you have any payment methods here that you want to remove, you can also remove it from here. The process is pretty similar to how you remove a payment method from one of your site there earlier. So if you want to remove it, you just have to go to Wix Studio again here, Wix Studio, or you can click on the account here, and you just have to go on billing and subscription. On billing and subscription, you just have to go to payment methods again, and you can remove any payment methods from here, right? So there's this payment methods and also the payment method from your site earlier. So my site, click on any site you want, and you just go to sales and all payments here, and you can remove any payments from your Wix website from here as well.